If you have ever wondered where to use LSI keywords effectively in SEO content writing, you are in the right place. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In today's lecture, we are going to explore a crucial aspect of SEO content writing, and that is where to use LSI keywords. LSI keywords are a powerful tool, but knowing where to strategically place them can make all the difference in optimizing your content for search engines. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Let's start by understanding the strategic placement of LSI keywords within your content. LSI keywords should appear naturally throughout your content, complementing your main keywords without appearing forced or repetitive. One key area to include LSI keywords is in your content's heading and subheadings. These provide context and signal to search engines the topics covered within your content. Next, we have incorporating LSI keywords in body. The body of your content is another prime location for LSI keywords. When writing your paragraphs, aim to incorporate LSI keywords where they naturally fit. This helps search engines better understand your content's context. Next, we have using LSI keywords in image alt text. Don't forget about images. Including LSI keyword in your image alt text can boost the relevance of your content, especially if the images are related to your topic. Next, we have utilizing LSI keywords in meta description. Your meta descriptions which appear in search results should also feature LSI keywords. Craft meta descriptions that not only entice users but also incorporate LSI keywords that align with your content. Next, we have placement in anchor text. When creating internal and external links, consider using LSI keywords within the anchor text. This practice provides additional context to both users and search engines about the linked content. In conclusion, knowing where to use LSI keywords is essential for effective SEO content writing. By strategically placing LSI keywords in headings, body content, image alt text, meta description, and anchor text, you can enhance the relevance and context of your content. In our upcoming lessons, we will explore advanced SEO content writing techniques in greater detail, making it easier for you to understand and apply. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining lecture 16 where we discussed where to use LSI keywords in SEO content writing. If you are seeking exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.